Today I'm showing you watercolor techniques. The first technique we are going to do is a blend. So, you start with one color. And you work your way down. Add a little bit more water if you need to get it lighter and lighter. Now the trick to getting a good blend that's not muddy is to start your second color down at the bottom and work it into the first color. Add a little bit more water and blend into the first color. Now, on the second one, I'm going to do paper towel technique, where I'm going to remove color. I want to talk about mixing colors. You don't mix colors within the colors. So I want to make a teal because that's my favorite color. So I'm going to get green, put it up here, thoroughly rinse my brush out, get blue, and add it to the, I didn't get enough blue, but I'm still going to rinse because I don't want to mix the colors in the actual color spots. So I'm going to paint with my teal. Now you can take your time and do a neater job than I'm doing. I'm going to fill up my box. I'm going to make sure it's still wet. And then I'm going to crunch up my paper towel. And dab. And it takes away the color. Leaves you with sort of a little textury look. Now if you had a darker color and you did that, it would probably show up even better. Now the next one I'm going to do is wet on wet. So let's see here. I'm going to choose a light color. Wet it down. Oops, I got a hair in there. I have to make sure it's fairly wet. Then I'm going to drop a different color into it. And watch as it disperses out. The last technique I'm going to do is resist. So I'm going to use a white crayon and write what I would like to show up through my watercolor. So I'm going to choose a dark color. Let's see. Will this come out purple? Yeah. I'm wondering if it's purple, but it got mixed up, but it is good purple. So I'm going to use this good purple I have. Paint over the crayon. And the crayon resists the paint, so my drawing used with the crayon shows up. Darker the color, the better it will show up. Now that is 4 techniques you could use today if you choose to watercolor. You might try some new things on your own. So I used a blend, paper towel, wet on wet, and resist.